Imagine an invisible force field surrounding our planet, a silent, ever-present protector. It's a shield that safeguards everything we know and love, a barrier against the relentless forces of the cosmos. A silent guardian, always on duty, tirelessly working to maintain the delicate balance that allows life to flourish. It's a force so fundamental, yet so easily overlooked. You can't see, touch, or taste it, but without it, life on Earth would be impossible. It's the unsung hero of our planetary existence, the reason we can breathe, thrive, and look up at the stars with wonder. This is no science fiction. This isn't some fantastical tale spun from imagination. It's our planet's magnetic field, a real, tangible force that shapes our world in ways we are only beginning to fully understand. Most people never think about it yet. It's as vital as air or water. It's the silent partner in every breath we take, every drop of rain that falls, and every sunrise that paints the sky. This shield stretches far into space, forming a giant bubble that protects us from the sun's constant storm of energy, a relentless barrage of radiation and particles that would otherwise render our planet uninhabitable. Think of it as a cosmic umbrella in a hurricane, a steadfast defense against the solar tempest. The sun bombards us with charged particles that could strip away our atmosphere and oceans, leaving behind a barren wasteland, much like our neighbor Mars. But our magnetic field deflects this onslaught, guiding it safely around Earth, creating the mesmerizing auroras, the northern and southern lights, as a beautiful side effect. It's a battle fought high above us, and we've been winning for billions of years, a testament to the enduring power of our planet's hidden force. This force is what makes a compass needle point north and lets magnets stick to your fridge, but on a planetary scale, it's far more powerful, a force that shapes the very environment around our world. Generated deep within Earth's molten core, it's a dynamic, ever-changing field of energy, a swirling, chaotic dance of molten iron that gives rise to this incredible phenomenon. Our magnetic field is a gift from our planet's geology, a result of a hot, churning core acting as a massive electrical generator, a planetary dynamo, constantly at work. Understanding this shield is understanding our place in the cosmos. It's recognizing the intricate web of forces that allow us to exist in this vast and often hostile universe. Earth isn't just a rock, it's an active, dynamic system with a beating heart of molten iron. A living planet, constantly evolving and protecting itself. Its protective skin shields us from the harsh realities of space, the vacuum, the radiation, the constant threat of cosmic debris. Look at Mars and you see what happens when this shield fails, a cautionary tale written in red dust. A stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of planetary protection. Our magnetic field is the difference between a living world and a dead one. It's the reason we have oceans, an atmosphere, and the vibrant ecosystems that make our planet so unique. So, let's journey from Earth's core to the edge of space to discover our invisible guardian, to unravel the mysteries of this powerful force and understand its crucial role in safeguarding our world. It's time to appreciate the profound role it plays in our existence, to recognize the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the importance of protecting this invisible shield for generations to come. Without it, we wouldn't be here. And understanding it is key to ensuring we continue to thrive. To find the source of our shield, the invisible force field that protects us from the sun's harmful radiation, we need to embark on an incredible journey. We must journey deep, 3,000 kilometers down, to Earth's core, a realm of extreme pressure and temperature, far beyond anything we can experience on the surface. Imagine the deepest mine you can, and then go even deeper. Here lies a sphere of metal, mostly iron and nickel, a dense and heavy composition forged in the early days of our planet's formation. The inner core is solid and scorching, a ball of compressed metal heated to temperatures rivaling the surface of the sun. It's a solid despite the heat because of the immense pressure. But the outer core is a swirling ocean of molten metal, a dynamic and turbulent realm where iron and nickel flow like water. This churning liquid iron is the engine of our magnetic field, the source of the protective bubble that surrounds our planet. It's a process that has been ongoing for billions of years. As Earth spins, the outer core's motion creates massive convection currents, a complex interplay of forces that drives the geodynamo. Like boiling water but with metal, these currents rise and fall, carrying heat and generating electrical currents as they move. These flows generate powerful electrical currents, swirling and interacting within the molten iron. And wherever there's electric current, there's a magnetic field, an invisible force that extends far out into space. This is the geodynamo, a natural generator, constantly working to maintain our magnetic field. A self-sustaining process where currents create the field, and the field shapes the flow, a beautiful example of a feedback loop in nature. The result? A magnetic field that's always changing, never static, always responding to the dynamic processes within the Earth. The magnetic poles wander, drifting across the globe over time, a testament to the fluid nature of the outer core. And sometimes over thousands of years, they even flip, a dramatic event known as a magnetic reversal. This dynamic process is a testament to our planet's living interior, a reminder that Earth is not just a rock, but a dynamic and evolving system. When you use a compass, you're connecting to this immense engine beneath your feet, aligning yourself with the Earth's magnetic field. Earth isn't a static rock. It's an active, electrically charged planet, a powerhouse of geological activity. Our internal heat and motion, a legacy from Earth's formation, give us our protective shield, safeguarding life as we know it. It's a planetary superpower, forged in the fiery heart of the Earth, a force that shapes our world and protects us from the harshness of space. Without this churning core, our world would be exposed and vulnerable to the solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun that would strip away our atmosphere. The geodynamo is the secret to our survival, the reason why Earth is habitable and teeming with life. It's the heartbeat of our planet, the rhythmic pulse that sustains our magnetic field and protects us all. The sun, our life-giving star, is the engine that drives our solar system. But don't be fooled by its warm embrace. It's also a dynamic and often violent star, constantly churning with unimaginable power. And one of the most significant ways it expresses this power is by constantly blasting out a stream of charged particles, the solar wind. This isn't wind as we know it, the gentle breeze or the raging storm. Instead, it's a relentless torrent of protons and electrons, subatomic particles stripped from the sun's outer atmosphere. These particles are racing through space at incredible speeds, often exceeding 1,000,000 miles per hour. The solar wind doesn't just stay close to the sun, it fills the entire solar system, permeating the space between planets. As it expands outwards, it bombards every planet and moon in its path, constantly interacting with their surfaces and atmospheres. Without protection from a magnetic field or a thick atmosphere, the solar wind acts like a cosmic sandblaster, slowly but surely eroding surfaces. Over billions of years, this relentless bombardment can strip away atmospheres and even boil away entire oceans, leaving behind barren landscapes. The solar wind is also intensely radioactive, carrying harmful radiation from the sun. This radiation is energetic enough to break apart DNA molecules, potentially causing mutations and cellular damage, and it can also fry sensitive electronics. If this radiation were to reach Earth's surface unimpeded, the consequences would be dire. Life as we know it would be devastated, with widespread damage to ecosystems and potential harm to all living organisms. And it's not just living things that would be at risk. Our technology, satellites in orbit, power grids on the ground, would be vulnerable to disruption and damage. The solar wind, therefore, is a relentless, invisible threat, a constant barrage of energy and particles. It's a powerful force that shapes the fate of worlds, influencing their atmospheres, surfaces, and even their potential for habitability. Earth's survival story is a testament to its resilience, and it's fundamentally about how we withstand this constant, fiery breath emanating from the sun. The vast expanse of space is not the empty void we often imagine. It's a dynamic and often harsh environment, filled with energy and radiation. And our protective shield, our magnetic field, makes all the difference in our ability to thrive in this environment. Between the solar wind and our world stands the Earth's magnetic field. It extends tens of thousands of kilometers into space, forming the Magnetosphere, our cosmic shield. When the solar wind hits, the magnetosphere deflects most particles, diverting them safely around Earth. The side facing the sun is compressed, while the night side stretches into a long tail. This deflection is key to our survival, keeping our atmosphere and water safe from the sun's erosive force. The magnetosphere's shape changes with the sun's activity, but it holds strong, even during solar storms. Without it, Earth would be stripped bare. No blue skies, no oceans, no life. The magnetosphere is the unsung hero of our story. It's why we have a stable environment for life to flourish. Our force field is real, and it's vital. It's the reason Earth is alive. Our magnetosphere isn't perfect. Some solar particles get trapped and funneled along magnetic field lines toward the poles. As they plunge into the upper atmosphere, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen, exciting these gases. When the gases return to normal, they release energy as light, the aurora. Green, red, blue, and purple lights dance in the polar skies. The aurora is a visible sign of our magnetic field at work. It's the final act of particles that traveled millions of kilometers from the sun. The aurora is a beautiful reminder of the invisible battle above us. It's the sky's electric dance, a celebration of our planet's shield. Every aurora is proof that our world is protected. To appreciate our shield, look at Mars. Today, Mars is cold, dry, and nearly airless. But billions of years ago, it had rivers, lakes, and maybe oceans. Young Mars had a molten core and a magnetic field protecting its atmosphere and water. But Mars is smaller than Earth and lost its internal heat quickly. Its core solidified, the geodynamo stopped, and the magnetic field vanished. Without protection, the solar wind stripped away Mars's atmosphere, molecule by molecule. Water evaporated or froze, and the planet became a barren desert. Mars is a cautionary tale, a world that lost its shield and its chance for life. It shows us that a magnetic field isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Without it, even a promising planet can die. Mars's fate is a warning for us all. Our shield is our lifeline. Imagine if Earth's magnetic field vanished tomorrow. Satellites would be bombarded by high-energy particles, failing one by one. Astronauts would face lethal radiation. Auroras would appear worldwide, a sign of disaster, not beauty. The solar wind would start stripping away our atmosphere, just as it did on Mars. The sky would thin, the ozone layer would vanish, and radiation would spike. Extreme temperature swings would follow, and oceans would slowly boil away. Life would face extinction. Only the hardiest microbes might survive underground. Earth would become a barren rock. Our magnetic field is not just a curiosity, it's our planet's silent guardian. Without it, we lose everything. When searching for life, we talk about the habitable zone, the right distance from a star for liquid water. But that's not enough. Earth and Mars show us a crucial ingredient, a strong, lasting magnetic field. Without it, a planet is defenseless against the solar wind. Now, we look for worlds that are big enough to keep their cores molten and active. It's not just about location, it's about having the right stuff inside. Venus, for example, is Earth-size, but lacks a magnetic field. Its water is gone, and its atmosphere is toxic. The recipe for a living world is specific: right star, right distance, right size, right core. Each requirement filters out countless worlds. Our magnetic field is what makes Earth rare, a true gem in the cosmos. It's the key to our existence. We walk under blue skies, breathing clean air, rarely thinking about the invisible forces that protect us. Our magnetic field is the unsung hero, tirelessly keeping our world habitable. The greatest things are often unseen: air, gravity, and our magnetic shield. Without it, Earth would be a lifeless desert. The magnetic field connects the core's churning iron to the auroras in the sky. It links geology to biology, and our fate to that of Mars. A planet is a system: geology, atmosphere, and energy in delicate balance. Next time you use a compass or see the sky, remember the engine beneath your feet and the shield above your head. Appreciate this unseen protector. It's what makes Earth, Earth. The most vital things in the universe are often the ones we can't see.